making baguettes, and we're gonna turn the baguettes into pizza sub baguette things.
Oh, cool. Okay, so tell them about how long this is going to take.
So this is gonna take like 2 hours. So, but for us, it's gonna take 2 hours. But for you guys, it's gonna take like 10 minutes or like not a long time, like 10 seconds. I'm a little bit sick, but I don't have COVID. I just have a little cold. I got tested. Yeah. So.
Okay. And into the oven.
We washed our hands before this.
Okay, here.
So we're safe. I've never actually put stuff in the oven, so it's going to be weird. But I do have these gloves for safety.
Okay. So here. I'll open, grab that, and then back up and I'll open the door.
Oh, it's heavy. Which
Top one.
So we just puffed them up, but
Poofed
we
them.
didn't poof them up. We just poofed them up, but that wasn't really cooking them. We have another hour, 1 hour. So for you guys, it's not an hour. For you guys, it's like seconds or minutes. It's minutes.
Okay.
For you guys, we're gonna put it in. Okay, and let this up.
Okay, and we'll set the timer.
Yeah, set the timer.
It's actually going to be for 30 minutes. Okay, the video is now starting. Get those gloves on, sir.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay, okay, so it's been baking for 30 to 35 minutes in the oven at 350. Okay. Turn that off.
Now we're opening it.
Okay. Can you reach in and get that pan out of there? Just a second.
It hurts my eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
Up top, quick,
We
quick,
got
quick,
them
quick.
up. For you guys, it was a lot of, not a long time, but for us, it was a long time.
So we have these two beautiful baguettes.
That one's mine, that one's my grandpa's.
And we're going to, what are we going to make those? Are we going to make something out of those?
Well, no, I don't really want to. I know we said we would make a pizza sub, but I really don't want to. Well, if I was eating one, I would just have a little bit of pepperoni, some sauce, and cheese.
Okay, we'll do
and
that.
By the way, I do like hot sauce.
Okay.
I do like hot sauce.
Okay, so we're back here in the kitchen. We've been doing a lot of work today on lots of stuff. And how's the baguette coming there, Dayton?
Good. I'm just buttering it. I'm gonna try it.
Face the camera, face the camera.
Good. Subscribe to our channel and like and hit the bell. Oh, bye.